We're going to transform this bun. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tomi Popoola. If you're new to this channel, if you're not, welcome back. So thank you so much for stopping by my channel. This video is going to be really quick. So basically in most of my videos, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but you probably have. Anytime I have my natural hair out, I usually have like a bun, like a really big bun. And then I've gotten comments every time I love those videos saying, oh, how do you get your bun this big? How do you make your bun? How do you do your hair bun? Your bun. You know what I mean? This stuff. Exactly. So I'm basically going to teach you guys the tricks that I've been using to make my bun look very full from when I was 1 year natural up until now. So you can basically achieve the volume you want or that you're not yet at by doing these simple steps. Yeah. If you want to stretch out your hair before attempting this video, check out my how to stretch out your natural hair video. I will link it here. So this is how I stretch out my natural hair without any heat. If you haven't seen that already, check it out and then come back. Okay. Step 1 is obviously taking your band or whatever you're going to use to make your bun through the back of your hair and then just gradually pulling it up like so. I like to stop very close to my hair. So I would stop here when I haven't really gone that much far. And then I'll just tie a little knot at the back. Some people take it a lot higher up, which obviously limits the amount of volume you have. So the lower you get the band, the more volume you would possibly have. And for the most important bit, so most people just kind of roll the hair into a bun, which was the little bun you saw that I had earlier on. What I like to do is to first of all make sure that my hair is fluffed out. This is not the best state my hair is in. I'm going to apologize for that because I'm about to actually do a wash day, but then I thought, you know what, let me go. I'm going to use 2 bobby pins. So what I like to do is I like to work with the front half and then the back half. So I put my hand over top of my hair like this. When I get to the extreme top, then I kind of fold it. Then I do that to the side, fold it. I'm literally going to how high up my hair can go and then fold in the ends. So side, fold it, the back, fold it. It's kind of like you're wrapping your hair. So I'm going to go in with the first bobby pin. At the top. Then the next bobby pin at the side. Now the reason why I like this method is because I don't have to blow out my hair to make my hair this big. I don't have to do like put any heat in my hair and my hair still gets really big. And then you basically just tuck the pins in so that they don't show. So like, see, they're invisible now. Okay, the main reason why I'm showing you guys this hairstyle is because where my hair was 3 years ago and where my hair is now there's a huge difference. So when I blow out my hair now, I can actually achieve this bun with my hair being blown out. And the thing is, I have been achieving this big bun before my hair was this big bun, if that makes sense. I'm basically trying to say that you can achieve this bun without having your hair being this big yet. So you could fake it till you make it. I don't know, that's how I did it anyway. So you can basically make your buns look bigger than they are by just tucking in your ends. literally, and you get the most volume out of your hair you possibly can. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have any questions, ask me in the comment section. I'm about to wash my hair, so my edges are not done in this video. Don't come for me, because I'm not going to put gel on my hair and then wash my hair in the next minute. It doesn't make sense to me. Please, 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 the notification bell. I'll show you guys how to do it right now. When I put out new videos, you would get notifications, so please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, and hit that notification bell. See you guys next time. Bye.